Ever feel bloated after eating eggs? Here's how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome to Optimal Digestion. Today we are solving the egg problem. First, whole eggs versus egg whites. Egg whites are pure protein and digest easily. The yolk has healthy fats and choline that protect your gut lining. If you're healthy, eat whole eggs. If you have gallbladder issues, stick to egg whites. 1 to 2 eggs daily is perfect. Now, how to cook them? Soft boiled or poached is best. The runny yolk digests faster. Scrambled on low heat works too. Avoid hard boiled eggs with solid yolks. They're tough to digest. And never fry in lots of oil. This causes bloating. 3 mistakes to avoid. 1. Eating eggs the same way daily. Mix it up. 2. Using old eggs. Test it. Put your egg in water. If it floats, toss it. 3. Adding too much cheese and bacon. Keep it simple. Pro tip, add black pepper for better absorption. Eat eggs with vegetables for fiber. Bottom line, 1 to 2 eggs cooked gently with veggies. Listen to your body. If eggs bloat you, you might have an intolerance. Hit like and subscribe for more gut health tips. Comment your favorite way to eat eggs. Thanks for watching. Take care of your gut.